Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome to my channel Learn French with Shikha. In this video, we are going to learn les pronoms sujets il et elle that we call they in French. It's a plural form of singular il and elle. So, let's get started. Next, third person plural. French subject pronouns are il and elle, which means they. French has two third person plural subject pronouns. So they means il and elle both. Il is used for masculine plural and elle is used for feminine plural. We are first going to discuss il. Il is used for group of men or mixed gender groups. For example, je ne vois pas mes frères sont-ils déjà partis? I don't see my brothers. Did they already leave? So here you can see we are talking about mes frères means my brother, that is masculine plural. So we have replaced this with the pronoun il. We'll repeat it again. Je ne vois pas mes frères sont-ils déjà partis? Next. Paul et Annie viennent, mais ils sont en retard. Paul and Annie are coming, but they are running late. So here we are talking about Paul and Annie. Paul is a masculine and Annie is a feminine. So here it's a mixed gender, but we are using il. We are not using L. It's a mixed gender. For mixed gender, we use il. We'll repeat again. Paul et Annie viennent, mais ils sont en retard. Il is also used for groups of all masculine nouns and groups of mixed masculine and feminine nouns. Like we did it earlier, it is used for people, whether masculine or mixed gender. Now here we are discussing about nouns, masculine nouns and the mixed gender nouns. For example, j'ai trouvé tes livres, ils sont sur la table. I found your books, they are on the table. So here we are talking about livre, which is a masculine plural noun. We have replaced it with pronoun il. Repeat it again. J'ai trouvé tes livres, ils sont sur la table. Le stylo et la plume, ils ont tombé par terre. The pen and the pencil, they fell on the floor. So here we are talking about two nouns, plural, that is le stylo et la plume. Le stylo is masculine and la plume is feminine. So we are using it ils because with mixed masculine feminine noun we use il. Ils ont tombé par terre. Next, elle is used for groups of females or groups of feminine nouns. It is not used where we're talking about mixed gender. Whenever it's a mixed gender, il will be used, and for female and feminine nouns, or else will be used. For example, où sont Annette et Marie? Elles arrivent. Where are Annette and Marie? They are on their way. So here we are talking about two feminine, two females, Annette and Marie. So we have replaced it with elle. Next, j'ai acheté des pommes. Elles sont dans la cuisine. I bought some apples. They are in the kitchen. So here we are talking about the feminine noun, the plural one, des pommes. So we have replaced it with pronoun elles. J'ai acheté des pommes. Elles ont dans la cuisine. Notes to remember. Even when talking about a room full of 100 women and one man or 100 men and one woman, you have to use ill. So, whenever we are talking about a mixed gender, whether we have 100 women and one man or 100 men and one woman, you're going to use ill. L will only be used when we are talking about females or feminine nouns. That's it. Il and L are pronounced exactly like il and L respectively, except in a lesson, that's a dictionary. We give a pronunciation separately, but otherwise, while speaking, the plural il and L and singular il and L are spoken the same way. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you understand les pronoms sujets. If you like the video, do hit the like button, share it with other people, and also subscribe to my channel to get more updates about the videos. Merci beaucoup.